We're doing some meatball sliders here. Got these leftover Italian style meatballs from the other day that I'm going to use. I'm going to break them down into smaller meatballs for this recipe. Got about 4 ounces total, and it's actually venison. See the link for the original video. Cut my brioches in half here, and then I'm going to load both sides down with cheese, because that's what I do. Provolone, now mozzarella. Woohoo! Preheated pan, a little bit of olive oil in. Roll it around, put your balls in, medium heat. Don't worry if they break up or break down, it's gonna be a little bit sloppy, and I like that sometimes, that's fine. Bread, cheese goes into the oven, well actually broiler. Just gonna melt the cheese, could be oven, roly, flip them over, and just browning them out, cooking them almost all the way through. Don't stress, use utensils if you got guests over. Now, put your favorite sauce in, put it down to low. Store-bought works great. If you want to do a weekend sauce and make it from scratch, that's great, but let's be honest, you're not watching this video. And it's a Tuesday. That's the real big part. It's a Tuesday. There you go. Pull your bread and cheese out. Make sure you don't burn it. It looks all melty. That's about done. Oh, now spoon it on up there. Yep. You want about 1 spoon per little roll. Now remember what I was saying about Tuesday? It's Transformational Tuesday. Got a sub, and now we have 2 sliders. Look at that. We multiplied. Cheers.